Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm making some cute little kitty cat earrings. Now this design was an evolution of a design that was inspired by Susan in the Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, because she made some cute little kitty cat earrings that were similar to some bunny rabbit earrings that I made before. I'll link up that tutorial below. So what you're going to need for the kitty is 20 gauge artistic copper wire in black. I'm using 3 small size crow beads and 1 8mm round bead, and of course you need your tools. So I'm going to start by forming the ears around like halfway along the wire, and just take your pliers, your flat ones, and bend that up at a sharp angle, and then bend not too big because your bead's not super big, so you hold it with your pliers and push it with your finger, and then you're going to bend it out. So there's your first ear, and then the second one, just leave a little space there and hold it with your flat pliers and bend that up, push it so it's a nice sharp bend. Sometimes aluminum wire bends on more of a right angle. If you have black colored aluminum wire, that could work too. So we're going to bend it there. Now we're going to put the bead on the wire that's sticking straight down. So take your 8mm bead, and it's just right there. And now you want to wind this wire around the bead. So hold this tightly and then bend it to the front. Okay. And then bend this around to the back. So it's in front of the bead and behind the bead to secure it in place, and then bring it to here around the neck and just give it one twist around. So we're just going to twist it one time around the neck. Now you can compare it. If you've done another one and you want to make earrings, you can compare it to get the right height and then start bending the legs. So we're just going to, with our round pliers, take the pliers, hold the end, and just bend up, and then decide how you want your legs to be, and down, and then up. It's cute when it's not perfect too, so don't worry too much about that. And then at the level where the legs intersect, bend it across, and then decide how long you want the body, and then bend it down and up. So here's the cute little legs. And then for the body, I also tried different kinds of beads. I tried a long bead for the body. I had a long wooden bead, but it didn't look quite right. So I'm using these crow beads. These are like mini size crow beads. And I'm just going to string those along, and that will be the body. And then what you want to do is just push this up a bit, because the idea is that these sit like right above the legs there. You don't really want too much space. And then what you could do is actually take this wire that formed the legs and twist it around. So when it's at the height you want, just take it, twist it around, okay, so it's the right position, and then just cut it flush right there. So if you cut that so it's flush, you can just tuck the little end in so it doesn't stick out, and then hold it snugly here and push this wire up. Okay, and that's going to form the tail. And then same thing, you can compare it to your other one. So what I did for that one is I kind of bent it around here, and then I got these smaller round pliers and I brought it up here, and then I want to get the larger round pliers and I just formed it around here. And same thing, you could, if you want to compare it, if you've done another one, just to make sure it's in the approximate right size, and then do as many loops as you did in the first one. Bring it around here, loop it around, see if it's like how you like it. Looks really cute. So just finish it around, and then you can clip the end with your cutters and just squish it down so it's flat, so it's not sticking out, and then just adjust it how you like. And there you have your little kitties. And if you want to do them facing each other, you can just like play around with it, adjust it. You can just flip it over, and those can be your kitty earrings. So the best way to get them to hang properly is hook it in the middle ear there. That's right in the middle, and then just hook it there and it should dangle quite nicely. So we have our kitty cat earrings right there. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire, wedding cake toppers, and funky jewelry. And also, I have a mailing list going, so if you'd like to join my mailing list, I'll mail you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, and that's linked up below too. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.